Hi everyone, Yulianna is here. Today in this video I want to share with you 5 different ways to make passive income without prior experience and without any investment. The most important part that all of those businesses you can start at any time and with no money invested. If you will stay until the end, I will share with you my bonus idea, which is my favorite. First of all, I would like to clarify what I mean by passive income, as many people confuse this term and any side hustle ideas they call as a passive income. Okay, let's count that Wikipedia is a trustworthy online source. So, according to Wikipedia, passive income is income that requires minimal labor to earn and maintain. Examples of passive income include rental income and any business activities in which the earner does not materially participate. In my understanding, passive income is that income when you don't add additional time to be able to make more money. You created a product once, you spend your time creating that product or service once, and then it generates income passively to you. You can boost your income with running ads or having some different marketing campaigns, but still you don't need to spend more time to be able to recreate the product or service again. I love passive incomes. You spend time once and then it will generate income for some time, literally when you are sleeping. Okay, let's start. I will try to make this video quite short, only useful and resourceful information. First one, blogging website. You need to create a website, write some articles there once, optimize them according to SEO, then join an advertising company, for example, Google Ads. It's quite easy to join them. Later, when you have more traffic to your website, you can join Mediavine.net or some other companies which pay more per ad. You can include some affiliate links into your website and just enjoy passive income from your work. This is exactly the way I am currently making money with my blog academyofhappylife.com. I created it over 6 years ago. I added there some articles, some quotes and other content. I'm quite busy with other tasks now, so I just left it as it is. I don't do anything with that website anymore. I have traffic to my website from Google search. I have ads there on my website, so this website regularly brings money to me passively in 3 different ways. Directly from ads, from affiliate links and from selling my own products. Second, vlogging. It is very similar to blogging, but you share your information and your knowledge on camera. Then you can post those videos on your website if you have one, or create your own YouTube channel. And the best if you have blog and your vlog on the same topic, so you can make money from your website and from your YouTube channel in the same time from only one video. How can you make money vlogging? Very similar as with blogging. You can make money directly from YouTube, directly from advertisers, using your affiliate links in descriptions, selling participations in live streams, donations, and selling your own products. The same way as with articles. You create your video once, then that video will generate passive income for you for a long time. It is a good way to make money, and I know many people who make very good passive income only from YouTube ads. But it will take some time to be approved by YouTube to be able to make money in this way, because you must have at least 1,000 followers and 4,000 watch hours during the last 12 months. Therefore, if you have your website, you can simply refer people from your blog to your YouTube channel. I suggest embedding your YouTube videos into your articles in your blog. In this way, you can make money from Google Ads on your blog, and when you are approved to make money on YouTube, you can make money with the same video on your YouTube channel too. Third way, affiliate links, affiliate marketing. I can talk about affiliate marketing forever. It is really great way to make extra money, because you don't spend any time or money in creating that products or services. You only suggest someone to buy it and make your income in the way of commission. You can include your affiliate links in some blogs, email lists, social media posts, descriptions of your videos on YouTube, or send it directly to your friends. If you have a good social media media following list or your blog, or you are ready to spend some time and share your affiliate links with people through different Facebook groups, for example, it can be a great way to make money. All you need to do is to sign up to affiliate programs of those products or services you wish to share information about. To be honest with you, usually companies make it more attractive to buy using their affiliate link than only as a regular client, let's say. For example, I am an affiliate partner with Rakuten Dossier if you buy products mostly from Canada, and Rakuten.com if you buy mostly from the United States, and I love this company. You can save money and make money with them in the same time. You can save money using their coupons and cashbacks and make money using their affiliate program. For example, if you sign up using my link below, you will receive $30 in Canada and $40 in the United States on your account, and I will receive the same if you buy your first purchase for $30 or $40. Plus, you will receive your welcome bonus, $5 in Canada and $10 in America. Of course, you can sign up without my affiliate link, but in that case, you will miss an opportunity to receive $30 or $40 for your sign up. So it is much more beneficial to use my affiliate link. There are many different companies which collect different brands which offer some affiliate partnership. You can submit separately with some company and make your commission directly from that company, like I mentioned with Rakuten, or to sign up to one partnership program and have different companies there and just choose which brands you would like to recommend to others. My favorite one is sharesale.com. It has over 16,550 different brands there, so you have from where to choose. Over 225,000 publishers, in other words, people who are using their services and making money with them. And only in 2020, they generated over 182 million sales. For example, many people use Amazon Associate, but to be honest with you, you can't make much money there. If you want to make good amount, you will need to have a lot of clients using your affiliate links. I prefer to concentrate on some products where you can have more money per one lead using affiliate marketing. For example, you can suggest booking an airline tickets using your affiliate link. You can partner with Skyscanner, with ShareASale. If someone buys tickets using your affiliate link, even if you make 2%, let's say per $1,000, you can make around $20 per sale. I know it is not much, but it is more a generic product. So now I will share with you different examples. But if you are more in the IT field, they paid much better for commission. For example, an Elementor plugin pays 50% per sale, considering their prices where products cost from $49 to $999. It is much more attractive to recommend their products. Pro tip: many online courses offer great commissions too, around 30 to 40% from their price. As we know, courses are quite expensive, which means you can make a good amount of money there too. If you have a blog, you can simply write some articles where you review different products and include there your affiliate links. If you build the whole website in the same niche and just write similar articles including affiliate links, it is a win-win. You make money using Google Ads and using affiliate links. By the way, it is much easier to write different articles on the same topic, so you have more knowledge, more experience, and you can use some information from different articles. Next one, create some digital products. It is an amazing way to make extra money passively. You create your product once, you market it, and then it generates money for you for a long time. Each additional sale doesn't require from you more time in creating that product. If you are good at something, just try to find the most comfortable way for you to share your knowledge. You can write an ebook or create some online course in text, audio, or video format. Every time I said to my students, if you are shy to talk in public or on camera, you can simply write it down. Just share your knowledge in a text, organize it in sections so that it will be easier for the reader to learn that information, and then you can sell it as an ebook and as a course. Approximately 1 year ago, I bought a course about Pinterest. All that course was only in a text format. Actually, I would call it more, it was an ebook than course, because there was only information, no tasks, no homework. If you decided to create a course in a text way, share your knowledge, but please create some homework where students can practice and receive some results. The best is to create a course which can combine video and text format. However, it takes much more time to prepare it, but the results worth it. Next one, renting out some space. 1 in 11 Americans pays for extra storage space. You can register your place which you are ready to rent out on a website called neighbor.com. It is like Airbnb in storage, if I pronounced it correctly. However, this website works only in the United States, but even if you live in some other country, you can write it in your local Facebook group about your services, or even to print a note and post it in your neighborhood. You can rent your free space. It can be anything such as a room for some student, or some place in your garage, or in the garden, or in basement, or any other place. You can handle it yourself, so you can make more money, or you can delegate it to someone else, so it will be truly passive income for you and you don't need to arrange anything. Someone else will do it for you. For example, my friend was moving to a new house. She sold hers and bought a new one, but she had 2 weeks before she could move into her new house. She had to remove all of her belongings from her old house and store it somewhere for 2 weeks. She went to search for some storage using some specialized storage companies, but it was way too expensive. In the end, she rented a space from her friend's garage. Both of them were very happy. One of my friends lives outside the city. They have a big empty piece of land. She said to a couple of friends that they can store their RVs there for money. She charges them a bit less than some places where people store their RVs. Her friends are happy because they pay less and they know that she takes care of that place as it is near her house. She is happy as she makes money from anyways empty piece of land. Next example, one of my friends moved to another country, so they didn't want to take care about renting out their property. So they hired some property company who takes care about renting out their apartment. They take some commission, of course, for their services, around 10%, but in the end, everyone is happy. And the bonus idea, renting things. You can rent some things you own, not only your space, and make money passively. For example, you can rent out your bicycle or your car or some tools you own, such as snow removal machine in winter or lawnmower in summer. You got an idea. You can rent out anything that you don't use so often. So instead of staying uselessly in your garage, you can make money on it. If you live in the United States, the website I mentioned about, neighbor.com, will help you with renting your things too, not only with your space. That's it, guys. I tried to be brief and explained my favorite ways to make passive income. I hope you got a lot of useful information. Please let me know in the comments if you have any way of passive income. If yes, please share with us how you make money while sleeping. Please press the like button if you found value in this video and subscribe if you didn't do it yet. See you in my next video.